Life's too short to even care at all.
Princess Diabini.
I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. A wet world aches for a beat of a drum. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this zero to come down.
The bride is alive.
Life's too short to even care at all. I'm coming up now, out of the blue. These zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. A dark world aches for a splash of the sun. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run out to the things they say could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. Life's too short to even care at all. I'm losing my mind, losing control.
What the hell? Crazy. Let's see. What makes you angry? I don't know. Guys who try to marry me, weak drinks, people who tell me their problems. Yeah, go on. Tacky thigh-high stiletto boots? What about everyone who hurt you, who betrayed you, who left, who made you regret? Yeah! Don't forget about the damn patriarchy. The whole system's rigged and should be burned to the ground. Plastic cast.
See this straight, I run away.
We're sick of being responsible for you don'ts.
I should have found by now. And so I run out to the things they say could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this
There's more than one way to use magic.
to come down. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa.